Charged with shooting a Metro police officer in Fountain Square is a convicted felon who violated his parole with another felony arrest back on January 31st.
But still, he remained free for nearly a month before the shooting on a $500 cash bond. Rich Nye has been looking into this and why and how this happened. And Rich, tell us what you learned about it today.
Well, there are a lot of agencies in the judicial system that are involved here. And I talked to a local defense attorney who represents people accused of violent crimes. She doesn't think anyone dropped the ball in this case.
Mylik Hill was arrested January 31st after he and another man allegedly stole TVs and clothing from a Walmart, then fled from police in a car. Hill was on parole, released from a state prison about a year ago after serving over 8 years for armed robbery. But that information was apparently unnoticed when Hill was booked into jail at 3:29 p.m. The court posted a $500 cash bond, which Hill's wife paid. The Marion County Sheriff's Office says no outstanding warrants were found on 2 checks before Hill was released from jail at 1:32 a.m. on February 1st.
Based on the circumstances that I believe were presented to that judicial officer who set that bond, I feel that that bond was appropriate.
Marion Superior Court issued a statement saying there was no indication of any outstanding warrants for parole supervision at the date of his arrest. The bond was set based upon the outright arrest for the highest charge of a level 6 felony, which was a $500 cash bond.
Our system is broken in a lot of ways, but in this particular situation, I don't think that's what happened. I think it is a normal process that happened quickly and may have been realized later.
Hill's arrest prompted the Indiana Department of Correction to mark him in parole violation on February 2nd, retroactive to January 19th, the last time he had contact with his parole officer. The prosecutor's office made no attempt to put him in custody at an initial hearing February 14th. 4 weeks passed between Hill's shoplifting arrest and the February 27th shooting of Officer Thomas Mangan.
This happened as a result of a lack of communication between agencies, but not a lack of communication that was necessarily negligent.
I've asked lots of agencies, but at this point, I don't have a clear legal answer as to whether Mylik Hill should have been back in jail when the shooting happened.